how to clear Facebook cache. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So in order to clear the cache of Facebook, you have to go to your phone settings. So let's go. After opening the settings, you have to go to apps and notification options. After opening up to it, you have to go to the Facebook, and here you can see the storage and cache option in third row. So simply go through it, and in the right hand side you can see the clear cache option. So you have to simply tap on clear cache, and by doing that you will be able to clear your cache. There is also another way to clear the cache. For that you have to go back to your home page, and here you have to see the list of the app. From over here you have to tap and hold the Facebook, and you can see the app info option. So simply tap on app info, and you can see you are directly open to the settings, and from over here you can tap on storage and cache, and from over there you can clear the cache as before. And by following this simple step you can clear Facebook cache. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.